mathematical miracles for industries worldwide, saving both time and money. And what industry does can have a pretty direct effect on you and me, the consumers. But at this point, you must be wondering how such a sophisticated computational technique translates into real-life, everyday applications.
May I help you?
Yeah, can I get a hot dog and a soda?
$50.
Thanks. What can be more real life than driving to your local hot dog stand? In procuring my lunch, I've been touched by no fewer than 3 simplex method solutions to linear programming problems.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you. First, there's my car. Computers at General Motors apply the simplex method all the time. After all, GM manufactures 60 models of passenger cars and trucks every year. Now, the sales from some of those models are more profitable to GM than others. But as we learned in our juice example, it isn't always good business to produce only your highest profit maker. So in order to create the best production policy, GM has to consider a lot of variables, like choosing which body styles and which new car features to offer their customers. Obviously, there are many other possible product mixes to consider as well. Attempting to study all of the combinations would take centuries, and by then, cars would be obsolete. And then there's the oil that fuels my car. And oil refineries don't stop at making motor oils. Ink, aspirin, guitar strings, hair coloring, perfume, insect repellent, ping pong paddles, deodorants, carpeting, and even bubble gum. Just a few of the 3,000 possible petroleum products. So again, we run into the problem of trying to visualize a feasible region for all possible product combinations. If each of our possible petroleum products is represented by a dimension in space, we need 3,000 dimensions in order to draw a picture. Well, all these examples have made me pretty confused and hungry. And that reminds me of our third example, my lunch. On any given day, the ingredients in my hot dog may change. One week it could be mostly beef. Another week it might contain mostly pork. These changes are directly related to the current price of the ingredient meats and how much money our hot dog manufacturer expects as profit. These decisions are made using the simplex method to determine the production policy that yields the highest profit, given the constraints of the business.